In this video I will show you how to introduce a new ball of yarn, and I'll be using 6.5mm knitting needles and two chunky wet yarns such as DMC Knitty 6. Starting or adding a new ball of wool can happen due to your current ball of wool ending, or you are introducing a second colour. When you come to the end of your yarn or you're changing colour, finish the row but leave a tail of yarn around 30cm. With the new yarn, tie a loose knot onto the tail like so. Slide this up to your needles and continue knitting. When you have finished your project, you will sew these tails of yarn in.